I remember we were walking down this street in Mayapur. Of course, there's only one street, but the road, I have to say. And actually, I had been told by some local people there's a very big banyan tree near a bridge about half a mile from our land on the main Bhakti Siddhanta road. And that tree, someone told me this is Yogamaya. So, about 7-8 years ago, I asked Prabhupada, people said, the tree is Yogamaya personified. Come here. Could you explain, is that true, Srila Prabhupada? And Prabhupada looked, why not? Answered the question, at the same time left us completely bewildered. That definitely that tree was Yogamaya. But then of course he was instructing that doesn't mean that every other tree in the holy Dham isn't Yogamaya. The whole Dham is of course Yogamaya. So it was hard to say, is that only that tree Yogamaya? Of course everything is Yogamaya there. So specifically, if that is more Yogamaya, that of course was something which required deep realization to delve further into. Prabhupada had given a very, deep as the ocean reply, which simply increased our appreciation of the holy Dham.